Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the outer door panel on this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a T15 Torx bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door and use the T15 Torx bit to unthread the 8 side screws and the top right screw, holding the inner and outer door panels together. Unthread the top right door latch screw last. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the outer door panel up to detach. Disconnect the user interface wire connector and detach the wire retainer to fully remove the panel. Using the T15 Torx bit, unthread the 2 screws to release the user interface cover. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the door handle. With the screws unthreaded, remove the handle. Now unthread the 3 screws to release the console cap. To help remove the 3 cap barrel nuts, partially rethread the screws, then use the needle nose pliers to pry the nuts out. Now bend the retaining tabs outward and fully remove the insulation. You're now ready to install the new outer door panel. If necessary, transfer the foam gasket from the old door vent to the new one. Align the insulation and bend back the retaining tabs to secure. Push the 3 cap barrel nuts into place under the panel tabs. Position the console cap and thread the 3 screws to secure. Align the door handle and secure it with the 2 screws. Position the user interface cover and secure it with the screws. Now install the new outer door panel by first connecting the user interface wire connector, then secure the wire retainer. Make sure the console seal is in place. Then slide the side edges of the outer panel behind the retaining brackets. Then lift the panel up to join it with the inner door panel. Rethread the screws to secure. The top right door latch screw should be threaded first. That screw and the 2 upper side screws are longer than the 6 remaining side screws. With all the screws secured, turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.